Zhongshan Babypie Trading Company Limited, established in 2019, is located in Zhongshan, with convenient transportation and beautiful environment. We specialize in the supply of baby products. Our company has rich industry experience. Our main products include strollers, baby feeding chairs, cribs, baby rockers. Besides, we are working hard to develop new products to meet different requirements. Our company has equipment to strictly control product quality and provide better customer service. Our experienced staff are always available to discuss your requirements to ensure complete customer satisfaction. The products are sold well in the many countries. We have offices and warehouses in China. With export licenses, the products are also exported to customers in Europe, Asia, America, South Africa and other countries and regions. We work around the clock to make Babypie products work for families in all countries. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance, you can discuss your purchase needs with our customer service center. We follow to the business principle of mutual benefit. We enjoy a good reputation among our customers because of our perfect service, high-quality products and competitive prices. We warmly welcome domestic and foreign customers to cooperate with us and achieve common success.